Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to find Snapchat filters on an Android device. Well, knowing how to find Snapchat filters allows you to enhance your Snap with fun and creative effects that add personality and style to your photos and videos. And also, finding Snapchat filters enables you to access a wide range of AR effects including face filters, lenses, and augmented reality overlays that transform your appearance, surroundings, or both. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Snapchat app on your device. Well, after that, here you'll find many filters at the bottom. Okay, so the way to see more filters, slide please to the right side. And lastly, you can click Explore option here. Okay, so now you'll find more filters on this app. Well, that's the tutorial on how to find Snapchat filters on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.